Hello, instant fix repairs here. This is a Hyundai Sonata 2014 model, and there's a lot of faults regards to this vehicle. But the one I'll be showing is the power steering. The power steering makes a lot of noise when it's steered, and happened that the noise was coming from inside the steering column. So we had to take off the power steering column itself. We disassembled it, removed the steering wheel, and we checked some other parts to see if the noise was coming from there, but the noise was coming from the unit of the accumulator. So we removed the accumulator from it. We discovered there was a bearing that has broken to pieces inside of the accumulator. So when the accumulator was changed, we had to get a new one, the entire steering column itself, complete steering unit. And we fixed it, opened and assembled everything, and we tested it, and lo and behold, as usual, success was this is me steering the vehicle, and this is just as a customer would love it. This is what we do at Instafix Repairs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one.